Are you a TikTok fanatic? Do you spend hours scrolling through the app, watching entertaining videos and discovering new trends? Well, what if I told you that your love for TikTok could actually earn you some extra cash? Yes, that's right. With affiliate marketing on TikTok, you can turn your passion into profit. Imagine getting paid simply by sharing products or services that you genuinely love with your followers. In this video, we'll explore the world of affiliate marketing on TikTok and uncover how you can start earning from it. So grab your phone, get ready to dance, or not, and let's dive in. What is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or influencers promote products or services in exchange for a commission. It's like being an online brand ambassador. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program and receive a unique referral link or promo code. Then, you create content on TikTok that showcases the product or service and includes your referral link or promo code in the caption or video description. When your followers click on the link or use the promo code to make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. The more people who buy through your link, the more money you can make. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to worry about inventory management, customer support, or shipping logistics. All those nitty-gritty details are handled by the company whose products, services you're promoting. Plus, since TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users worldwide, and counting, there's potentially a huge audience just waiting to discover and buy from your recommendations. So why not monetize your TikTok presence with affiliate marketing? Let's explore how to get started. How to get started with affiliate marketing on TikTok. Affiliate marketing on TikTok is a great way to monetize your content and earn passive income. If you're wondering how to get started with affiliate marketing on this popular social media platform, here are some tips to help you kickstart your journey. It's important to choose the right niche for your TikTok account. Find a topic or industry that aligns with your interests and has a potential audience who may be interested in purchasing products related to that niche. Next, sign up for affiliate programs that offer products relevant to your chosen niche. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, while others use third-party platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Do thorough research and select reputable programs with competitive commission rates. Once you've joined an affiliate program, start creating engaging TikTok videos around the products you want to promote. Be creative and authentic in showcasing the benefits of those products, while making sure not to sound too salesy. Remember, people come to TikTok for entertainment, so make sure your content is enjoyable and valuable. To maximize your chances of success with affiliate marketing on TikTok, it's essential to build a loyal following. Interact with other users by liking and commenting on their videos regularly. Collaborate with fellow creators in similar niches through duets or shoutouts, which can increase visibility for both parties involved. Track the performance of your affiliate links using analytics tools provided by the respective programs or third-party platforms you're working with. This will help you understand what types of content resonate best with your audience and optimize future campaigns accordingly. By following these steps and consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with viewers' interests while subtly promoting affiliated products within relevant contexts, earning from affiliate marketing on TikTok could become a reality. So why wait? Start sharing amazing content today. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing on TikTok? TikTok has quickly become one of the most popular social media platforms, with millions of users worldwide. And with its explosive growth, it has also become a lucrative platform for affiliate marketing. Here are some benefits of utilizing TikTok for your affiliate marketing efforts. 1. Massive audience reach. With over 800 million active users, TikTok offers an immense potential audience to promote your affiliate products or services to. This wide reach allows you to tap into a larger pool of potential customers and increase your chances of earning commissions. 2. Highly engaged users. One major advantage of TikTok is its highly engaged user base. Users spend hours scrolling through content, which means they are more likely to pay attention to the ads or promotions you share as an affiliate marketer. 3. Diverse content formats. TikTok's versatile nature allows you to create various types of content such as short videos, tutorials, product reviews, challenges, and more. You can leverage these formats creatively to engage with your audience and effectively promote your affiliated products. 4. Viral potential. TikTok thrives on viral trends and challenges that spread like wildfire across the platform. By participating in or creating viral content related to your affiliate niche, you have the opportunity for massive exposure and increased conversions. 5. Authenticity and trust building. The raw and authentic nature of TikTok makes it easier for influencers and marketers alike to connect with their followers on a personal level. Building trust through genuine recommendations can lead to higher conversion rates when promoting affiliate products. 6. Multiple monetization options. Apart from earning commissions through traditional affiliate programs, TikTok also provides other monetization options like brand partnerships, sponsorships, collaborations that offer additional income streams for influencers involved in affiliate marketing. In summary, TikTok's massive user base combined with its engaging content formats make it an ideal platform for successful affiliate marketing strategies. It provides a chance to reach a diverse audience, build trust and authenticity, potentially go. How to find the best affiliate programs for TikTok. When it comes to finding the best affiliate programs for TikTok, there are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost, you want to choose programs that align with your niche or area of interest. This will ensure that the products or services you promote are relevant and resonate with your audience. One way to find suitable affiliate programs is by conducting research online. Look for reputable affiliate networks that have a wide range of offerings across various industries. These networks often provide detailed information about each program, including commission rates, cookie durations, and promotional materials available. Another strategy is to reach out directly to companies whose products or services you already use and love. Many businesses offer their own affiliate programs, which can be a great opportunity for collaboration. By partnering with brands you trust and believe in, you'll feel more confident promoting their products on TikTok. Additionally, consider joining online communities or forums where fellow affiliates share their recommendations and experiences. Networking with others in the industry can help uncover hidden gems and insider tips on lucrative affiliate partnerships. Remember, finding the best affiliate programs takes time and effort. It's important to evaluate each opportunity carefully before committing. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, strong conversion rates, reliable tracking systems, and responsive support teams. By putting in the legwork up front to find high-quality affiliate programs for TikTok promotion, you'll set yourself up for success in earning from your efforts on this popular social media platform. Tips for success with affiliate marketing on TikTok. 1. Choose the right products. When it comes to affiliate marketing on TikTok, selecting the right products is crucial. It's important to choose items that align with your audience's interests and preferences. Research popular trends and niches on TikTok to identify potential products that you can promote. 2. Create compelling content. TikTok is all about creativity and entertainment. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to create engaging and captivating content that grabs users' attention. Utilize TikTok's features like filters, effects, and music to make your videos more interesting. 3. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key when it comes to building trust with your audience. People are more likely to buy a product if they believe in the recommendation coming from someone they trust. Avoid being overly promotional or salesy. Instead, focus on providing value through informative or entertaining content. 4. Use effective call to actions, CTAs, in order to drive traffic and conversions for your affiliate links. Include clear CTAs in your videos or captions. Encourage viewers to click the link in your bio or swipe up for more information about the product. 5. Constantly analyze performance. Monitor your performance metrics regularly to understand what content resonates best with your audience and drives results. Pay attention to engagement rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and adjust your strategies accordingly. 6. Seek collaborations. Collaborating with other creators who have a similar target audience can help expand reach and increase exposure for both parties involved. Look for influencers or brands within your niche who might be interested in partnering up for mutually beneficial promotions. Remember that success takes time. Building a loyal following on TikTok requires consistency, creativity, and dedication. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the world of affiliate marketing on TikTok and discussed how you can turn your passion into profit. We looked at the key benefits of affiliate marketing on this popular social media platform, as well as tips for success. Affiliate marketing on TikTok offers a great opportunity to monetize your content and generate passive income. However, it requires effort and dedication to find the right programs and create compelling content that resonates with viewers' interests while subtly promoting affiliated products. By putting in the work upfront and networking with other affiliates, you can unlock hidden gems and uncover lucrative partnerships that can lead to success with affiliate marketing on TikTok. So why wait? Start earning from your passions today. Good luck! We have explored the world of affiliate marketing on TikTok and how you can earn from it. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your presence on TikTok and make money while doing what you love. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link, you can turn your passion into profit. To get started with affiliate marketing on TikTok, follow these simple steps. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and audience, find reputable affiliate programs that offer relevant products or services, create engaging content that showcases the benefits of the products, track your results using analytics tools provided by the platform. The benefits of affiliate marketing on TikTok are numerous. It allows you to leverage an already engaged audience and tap into their buying power. The short-form video format makes it easy to capture attention and convey information effectively. Additionally, TikTok's algorithmic discovery feature helps increase visibility for your content, reaching new potential customers. When searching for the best affiliate programs for TikTok, consider factors such as product relevance to your niche, commission rates offered by the program, payment terms, and options available to affiliates. Some popular platforms like Amazon Associates Program or ClickBank offer a wide range of products across various categories. To succeed in affiliate marketing on TikTok. 1. Be authentic. Only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. 2. Create compelling content. Use creative storytelling techniques to engage and captivate your audience. 3. Utilize trends. Stay up to date with current trends on TikTok and incorporate them into your content strategy. 4. Build trust. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche by providing valuable information and honest reviews. 5. Track performance. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rate, center, or conversion rate, CR, to optimize campaign performance. 6. Be consistent. Regularly post high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. It's important to stay patient and dedicated to your strategies, as this can be the key to success on this popular social media platform.